In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color individual pixels in Photoshop. We'll keep this simple and precise so you can confidently edit at the pixel level. First, start by zooming in very close on your canvas. Use Ctrl++ on Windows or CMD++ on a Mac, and keep tapping until you see the pixel grid appear. That grid of faint squares is Photoshop's way of showing you the exact borders of each pixel, which makes it much easier to target a single spot without guesswork. If you're working on a large image, it may take several zooms before the grid shows up, so don't worry, just keep going until those crisp squares are visible and your target area fills the screen. Next, select the brush tool. You can press the B key as a quick shortcut or click the brush icon in the toolbar. With the brush tool active, move to the top options bar and set the brush size to exactly 1 pixel. This is crucial because a larger brush will spill into adjacent squares. While you're there, make sure the brush has a hard edge so your click lands cleanly on 1 pixel without feathering. A soft edge can blur into neighbors. Keeping smoothing low can also help your click feel snappy and precise. Now choose your color in the color picker. Click the foreground color swatch to open it, then select the hue, saturation, and brightness you want. You can dial in a precise look with the sliders or by typing numeric values if you know them. Take a second here to confirm the color matches your intent, especially if you're doing pixel art or making micro adjustments to icons or UI elements where consistency matters. With your brush at 1 pixel and your color set, it's time to paint. Position your cursor so it sits squarely over the pixel you want to change using the grid lines as a guide. Then click once. That single click applies the color to that exact pixel, no dragging required. If you need to color neighboring pixels, move to the next square and click again. Working methodically like this helps maintain crisp edges and avoids accidental shifts. That's all there is to it. Zoom until you see the pixel grid, select the brush tool, set the size to 1 pixel, pick your color, and click directly on the pixel you want to change. With a bit of practice, you'll find this is a fast, reliable way to make ultra-precise edits, fix tiny imperfections, or create clean pixel art 1 click at a time.